And there's also one case, KIIT Bhubaneswar suicide case, where two Nepalese students get discriminated by the racism.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I know that.
By the racism. So this case are very sensitive case, so we should take action against it. So that's why UGC is a police staple in the universities.
In Lucknow, from 3 days, the people who come from the upper caste, they are protesting. Why they are protesting? Because that bill is not in favor of them. Totally discrimination. The case happened 3 days before the first came of the UGC. In Delhi College, there was a boy who came from the SC/ST. He proposed a girl from the general category, and sir, she denied.
Sir,
at that
sir,
time,
I will
sir,
not.
sir.
I will not answer. I will not definitely answer to this question. This is
Sir,
very nonsense.
The first case.
Can we break the ice, please?
Yes, sir.
Can we break the ice?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of break the ice?
To rocking start, sir.
To rocking start?
Rocking start, sir. Rocking start.
Rocking start. To start the conversation with enthusiasm.
Yes, sir.
So are you enthusiastic?
Yes, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, I just really welcome you from the bottom of my heart, because you are the voice of society. You are the voice of voiceless people. You are the hope of hopeless people. You are optimistic for pessimistic people. And today, you all have come here to talk about UGC. My friends, today, let's not have this well-talk class only. Let's have the session quite academic. And in this academic debate, we are going to discuss, right? We'll not be personalizing any points. We don't have to be very much personal with any point. We have to talk on the fact. Maybe she may be right, maybe he may be right. For right points, we have to appreciate, we have to salute. But for some points, we have to ignore, we have to reject, we have to condemn, we have to object. See, this discussion should be for the evolution of the society. Some people think that this UGC is not good. Some people think that this UGC is absolutely good. I will give my feedback in the last what I personally believe. But yes, for the sake of equality, for the sake of fraternity, for the sake of brotherhood, for the sake of education, for the sake of skill, for the sake of betterment, for the sake of harmony, for the sake of honesty and loyalty, I think this UGC is really going to uplift everyone equally well in university. So this discussion is going to be on university for university. So are you all ready to discuss on this point?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's be very much serious on this topic, everybody. So you guys are saying, of course, this UGC is absolutely fine. Yes. And you people are thinking that this UGC is not okay.
It's not okay.
From where should we start? Should we start from this?
Yes, sir.
From this?
From here.
Excuse me. I mean, everybody is pretty excited.
Yes, sir.
Let's have some data. Why they are actually supporting.
Yes, sir.
So that we could really condemn, we could object, we could reject, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's have the complete opinion of 2 to 3 minutes. You have 3 minutes, Mr. Umar, without gratitude, without greeting, without introduction. Just come to the fact and tell why UGC for the students of a university is going to be quite okay. The time is yours.
Actually, sir, UGC was existing before it. But now we are talking about UGC. Oh. If you talk about UGC was the part of 1956. It was a statutory body in our constitution.
But it has been started, I think, on 13 January.
Yes, yes. Huh? Because, sir,
UGC Commission is being established in 1956.
Yeah.
Achha. So
yeah.
what happened on 13 January 2026?
Sir, it was It was amendment, sir. So, sir, so the 2012 guideline of UGC, so this guideline didn't work very well because after 2012, there were many cases happened.
Cases.
Cases happen in suicidal case especially.
Point to be noted,
So-
everybody.
So mostly cases, if you know about Sir Rohit Vemula was suspended from their classes and they was terminated from the classes and he was the a scholar of PhD. So he was very educated person, but he was discriminated because of their caste, because of their quota system. So, sir, after 2012, there were many cases happened against the scheduled caste, scheduled tribal. So, some cases was filed in Supreme Court, and Supreme Court said that this UGC guideline didn't work very well, so you should amendment new bill to take action against who create discrimination in university, because students only do not discriminate because it is done by professor, faculty, and even chancellor, and chancellor is very big post in university. So if they can discriminate us, so nobody has courage to raise the voice against chancellor because they can terminate forever and they can destroy the whole life. So the new UGC guideline came in 2026. This is for everyone. There was not written any caste. If we said religion, so maybe any religion, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, they said caste. So it should be any caste. They said race. So any nation. Sir, even we are not accepting right now Northeast people, Indian. We said it is look like China. It happens in our India. So there was no mentioned this bill against with any community. Sir, if you say I'm from upper caste, so sir, can you tell me how will you be discriminated basis of your caste? No. If I will say you Brahman, so it is pride for you. They are calling me Brahman. But sir, when you can abuse name of Dalit, Mahadalit. You said, Dalit, you are government Brahman. I'm original Brahman, but you are made Brahman by government because you came here from quota system. So this bill is completely for everyone because this committee will have their all the quotas, all the classes.
Okay. I'm sorry to intervene you. Could you please assert people again? Could you have a little bit articulation to re-explain about UGC, like University Grants Commission? Could you have clarity on this topic so that viewers are watching and they can understand on what situation we are discussing here today?
Actually, UGC means University Grants Commission.
Okay.
So UGC works under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. UGC has limited power to take some decision. They don't have unlimited decision power. But UGC UGC makes education system very well, and they conduct exam. They can compete a global university like. Okay. So UGC mainly works in university higher education, not school. It works in university because it is there are higher education like IIT, JNU, AIMS. It is higher education in India. So UGC works in this kind of institution.
Any rebuttal, please? Yes.
UGC, University Grant Commission. It is not the full form of UGC. University Grant Celebration. It is the full form of for them, sir. Yes, sir. They have started celebration just because of this bill. It is a totally discrimination from the upper class. Yes, sir. Just because of that bill in Lucknow, from 3 days, the people who come from the upper caste, they are protesting. Why they are protesting? Because that bill is not in favor of them. Totally discrimination. The case happened 3 days before the first came of the UGC. In Delhi College, there was a boy who came from the SC/ST. He proposed a girl from the general category, and sir, she denied.
Sir,
at that
sir,
time,
I will
sir,
not.
sir.
I will not answer. I will not definitely answer to this question. This is
Sir,
very nonsense.
The first case of the sir, the first case of UGC. They are the first case of the UGC. A boy from scheduled caste, and he proposed a girl of general caste, and she denied. At that time, he filed a case against her. She had to go jail, and at that time, for the compensation, she had to pay 50,000 rupees. The case from Delhi, sir. Sir, it is not a rumor, ma'am. You can check in Delhi. The first case of the first case of UGC.
You know,
It is just a sir. She had to pay, sir. Just because of that bill, sir. She denied, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
It's
just
only-
because of that bill, our women, our sisters are not safe. Just because of that bill.
can you clear me? You know the judiciary system of India. It is implemented the 30th January. How you can say they?
Ma'am,
Have-
first tell that in future, if any boy proposes you, and if you deny, of course you will
So
have
it
to
is
deny.
our will. It is not.
So if you deny, the boy will take action against you.
Sir, just because
Sir,
of
he is-
that bill,
he
our
comes
women,
from
our
the-
sisters are not safe, sir.
Sir, he
This
comes
is just
from
a
the
totally
judge.
transformation of Harijan Act. In ancient time, before 10 years back, at that time when the rule of
It is
Mayawati
about
in
the-
Uttar Pradesh, at that time SC/ST people used to do the wrong things. They were just misusing the Harijan Act.
If you
It's just
law-
totally a transformation of Harijan Act.
Sir, love is not included in this bill. Love is not there.
Love is included. Sir, you need to understand. Sir,
In university, one second. Umar, wait, Umar. But love is not in UGC.
Yes.
But you can't make anybody accept your proposal.
EOC will.
What about the harassment here now? Mental harassment.
Equity committee.
Sir, UGC is all about the education
you need
system,
to
not about the love and
understand,
personal
sir.
life.
You need to understand that they can create a wrong thing. That can be. They can say she was just making my fun.
First,
Misuse,
about
the misuse.
Can you tell me how many provisions are there in UGC about the discrimination? Can you tell me in that
fun.
provision it is mentioned about the personal life? Not now. It is mentioned. There is
That
mentioned
is why
only
I
about
was
the
talking.
personal
They
life.
can misuse. They can misuse. And
How
sir,
they can
in this
misuse?
UGC committee, the
How they
people
can-
who,
can you-
ma'am,
wait.
you need to understand that in this UGC committee, the people who are taking the cases, they were SC/ST. They are SC/ST.
You are
There
talking
is
about
no-
the discrimination,
they-
about the love. Can you tell me petition files on these basis in the Supreme Court now?
Ma'am, they can say
They are
that.
protesting.
Ma'am, they can say that they were misusing my name like Dalit. They can say that. Just
No,
because
sir.
of that, the case can be filed, sir. Yes, sir. The case can be filed, sir.
Sir, it is about the fact.
Yes.
It is not about the rumors.
Yes, but-
and it is. Can you?
That is why I'm
me
saying
speak.
that they can be misused.
Let me
They can be
speak.
misused. Sir,
Your personal.
why near?
Let me speak.
I'm sorry for one thing. I really want to understand the personal rights. Like,
Yes, sir.
is it in UGC?
No, sir.
Then why are we talking about that?
Sir,
It is damn personal. Love, proposal, these things are.
Sir, can I explain what is UGC?
Let her explain about UGC first of
Sir,
all. You
in
don't know that.
2026 UGC guideline was you cannot discriminate it in the institution, in the higher institution like university or college on the basis of education, not on the basis of love or personal life. And second thing second thing is that in court case or petition on the basis of misuse, fear of misuse, and also the committee, not on
Sorry
the
for
basis of
interruption, Nazia. I would like to ask one question. If this bill is very right, then why people are on the road? My question. Yeah,
I'm
please
saying
let
that-
first let me
Okay.
complete. Just like if it is really very good, why people are
Okay,
protesting?
I'm going to-
If you are considering about giving the like equal right to ST and OBC, so directly you will start targeting to the general people.
Okay, let me speak. I will answer you.
Yeah.
Okay, I will answer you. You just they are raising on the basis of misuse of.
Suppose that I give you one situation,
Let me speak first, ma'am. I will answer.
Let me give the situation so that you could give the answer. Suppose Sir is running this institution and I belong to OBC or ST and sir says something to me and I start directly filing against the sir.
Can you
so, sir, will
can
be
you
able
tell
to
me?
teach us openly? I just want to ask this
It's
question.
totally useless talk because it is not fact. It is all about the misuse of the UGC.
It is not the misuse.
Ma'am,
just
can you
like-
tell me
Yeah.
protest against what?
Sorry?
Protest going on about what provision?
About what? Just like if you belong to vulnerable community.
It means
if
that
say
you
any-
need to have knowledge.
No, it is not like, it is not about the less knowledge. It is all about not giving the equal right. It is all about the making the equality. It is all about making the equality.
Sir, protests are going on the basis of misuse of the UGC, fear of misuse, and also second is there is a equity committee, but there is two type of committee in institution, but one is equity committee. In that committee there will be OBC, ST or SC members are also disabled members, but they are not excluded general category. They are not mentioned. You know law language of the UGC, fear of misuse, and also second is there is a equity committee, but there is two type of committee in institution, but one is equity committee. In that committee there will be OBC, ST or SC members are also disabled members, but they are not excluded general category. They are not mentioned. You know law language are very short type of, if you saw the IPC or BNS. So they are mentioned that they must have OBC, ST or SC category members in that equity committee, but they are not excluded word use. You know law language is very difficult, and also if we saw that there are many institutions based on minority, linguistic minority or religious minority, maybe linguistic minority, maybe Sikh, maybe Brahman, maybe linguistic minority, maybe any language. So in that institute, you know that under fundamental right there are mentioned that if you are open any linguistic institute that are wholly managed by the minority people, if they are linguistic minority, maybe there will be all the higher classes. That institute is based on the higher classes. If the whole management is higher classes people, so there must have be OBC, ST or SC members in that committee.
But they don't have the option to retaliate. This should also be considered. If you are saying something, if I don't,
Ma'am, there is other laws also.
Ma'am, when you are saying equality, there are 45 central universities in India. There are 45 central universities in India and one chancellor from ST, one chancellor from SC and 5 chancellor from OBC, and the rest of universities like 38 chancellor each are from upper caste. So we didn't tell ever we were discriminated, but when it was formed EOC and there was not written clearly it should be also upper caste, you are raising your voice against your discrimination. How can you say if we could tolerate from last 75 years, so how can you not tolerate this?
I
Because
just want
it
to
is
ask
equity.
whatever the example you are giving here, like one chancellor and whatever you are saying, it is all about giving the power. Right, it is the right to give the power unnecessarily. My question, it is not that one chancellor and one is that. Please let me complete. You people are speaking for a quiet time right now. Let me complete. It is all about like direct power is being given to OBC and SC, ST. They won't utilize that kind of thing.
It's not like that. It's not like that. One ST person, one SC person, and one PW. Maybe PW do general class, ST class, ST class, and women. Women should be any religion, any caste. So how can you say this is giving directly power to OBC to make false allegation? They are all about community. They are all about community, and faculty can be from upper caste and lower caste, and this committee will investigate basis of harassment and torture. Then they will take action against you. And especially the head of this institution, of this committee, will be upper caste. 90%, 84% chancellor are from upper caste. So how can you expect that the OBC will be discriminate you? Not you cannot say it.
But the point he raised, it was like the decision will be taken from SC only.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, they are not aware actually.
Sir, committee will take. Committee.
From where the committee belongs?
It works in university.
It works in university
there are
and
two
in
things.
committee there will be
EOC
SC,
Committee
ST.
will be from
SC.
No, sir.
It is from
It
SC,
is not-
Sir, they are not aware.
It is not
And
mentioned.
And other thing is that if someone is misusing the act, the action will be taken on the spot to the accused person. But if the case will be found that this is not a good right case, at that time the person who claimed the case, he will not get any type of thing. He will not get any type of jail.
Sir, ED filed. Okay, come on.
Sir, that's what we are also saying. If someone files case against you and it is false, so we are also saying there should
The action
be
will
some.
be not taken for him. Means that
Listen
it is
first,
a
if that case is false, so there should be first inquiry. It is false or right?
Yes.
So after
that,
after investigation, government after investigation, UGC should take action against them.
UGC will not take
Without-
action. Sir, UGC will not take action for him. If someone is misusing that, means that the totally independence to misuse that.
First, I think you only.
able to understand that
Sir-
why this committee will not take action?
Sir, they will not.
Why will they not take
That
action?
is why the protest is going on, sir. That is why the protest is going on. People are.
Means if
Why protest
one
is
second,
going on?
one second,
See,
one
already
second,
mentioned
Shalini, let's imagine that one person from SC he commits a crime.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So there will not be any
They will
investigation.
not investigate. They will not take action, sir.
Is this true?
Yes, sir. It is to totally discrimination going on.
My goodness. If it is true, if it is fair, it is really,
Discrimination is going on.
my goodness, I condemn it.
For 3 days.
I condemn it.
Sir,
Yeah, that is why the protest is going on. Why you are totally discriminate to the people who come from the upper caste?
sir,
You need to enhance your knowledge.
sir, if it is.
Sir, actually they are in favor of UGC. That is why they are not able to listen. That is why they are not accepting that.
We are support the UGC, and he also told many of the people you will get only the from the upper caste, and within the 65 years in Supreme Court and anywhere you can't get SC ST people, any single people and any single women. In SC ST caste who belongs in SC ST, you can't get any single women in the Delhi High Court and Supreme Court. If you will
Because
get, then tell me.
they are not able to become. That is why they are not.
Yes, first
The
listen,
person
sir. This nonsense talk. Why you are
This is
talking
not
like
anything
that?
possible. If you are able to
People
become, you can
first
become.
They
You
are
need
not.
to reserve. You need reservation. You need
You
everything.
people
Why
are
you are not able to
suppressing.
become? You need to. In everything they need reservation.
Like
In
you
everything
people
they
are
need.
suppressed them.
In
Like
everything
you
they need
people-
freedom.
like
Just
you
because of the
people
case
are
of SC, sir, in ancient time.
Sir, listen.
It is
when
what
they
I'm
went
saying.
to college,
In ancient times, sir.
They discriminate by the. They discriminate by.
Discriminated.
Sir, if
No
you-
one
if
is
you-
discriminated
sir,
from the
if you-
SC,
if you-
ragging and discrimination can be happen in any class. You need to understand, ma'am. You need to understand.
Sir, if you killed Rohit Vimola, how can Rohit Vimola will be the Supreme Court of India, Chief Justice of India? If you killed Darshan Solanki,
You need- sir,
if you killed
Mr.
Darshan
Umar-
Solanki, how can they be a astronomer and
Sir.
the scientist like APJ
You
Abdul
need
Kalam
to
Azad?
you need
If
to
you
understand
killed-
that
if you
ragging
killed
discrimination
Payal-
can be
if you
happen
killed
with anyone.
Payal-
There
if
is
you
no-
killed Payal Tarvi,
Doesn't matter
how
who come
can
from
she
any
become
class,
the
ragging can
scientist?
happen to
How can
anyone.
she become the Prime Minister of India?
Sir, ragging
killed-
and discrimination
You
can be happen with
killed,
anyone.
you killed many important personality. You killed on our history. How can she become the Prime Minister of India? If
Just because of your misusing Harijan Act, the
you
people
killed-
who
if
are
you
in jail,
killed-
just
if-
because of your
if you
misusing,
killed- if
just
you-
because your misusing.
if
Don't
you-
you know about that in
listen-
ancient
listen
time,
me,
10 years
listen
back?
me, listen me.
Listen to him.
How many people are in jail just because of your Harijan Act? You are misusing. That is why people are protesting. You not
No.
able to listen.
No. Because
You don't have proper language, you need to understand that.
lower caste was being exploited from
It is-
since one
You need to understand, brother.
basis of caste.
It is just
basis
saying.
of caste.
Sir,
Basis
sir,
of caste.
basis of
Basis of caste. Basis of caste.
You type of people. You are type of people that who discriminate the people.
There are five categories. There are five
Just because,
categories.
sir, it is
Brahman,
not saying in
Kshatriya,
ancient times they were
Vaishya,
used to
Shudra, and Dalit.
I genuinely want to understand only one thing, that if a person belongs to SC, commits a crime, will there be any interrogation, investigation or not? That is my question. These people are saying yes, he is saying no.
Sir,
What can I understand now?
If it was serious matter na, then the EOC committee will transfer to the police station.
If I did ragging in university,
Yeah.
I am from SC caste category, right? I did ragging with girls. Will there be any?
No action will be taken.
No action will be taken.
No.
Guys, wait 1 second. It's a matter of awareness, and you are in front of national YouTube channel, right? So please tell the genuine thing here. Action will not be taken. 100%. Are you sure? If this committee takes action, are you ready to go jail?
Yes, sir.
If the committee here, the people are watching you as
Yes, sir,
well.
yes, sir.
Are you ready to go to jail?
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yes, sir. If I did wrong thing.
No, you are saying the action will not be taken.
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Hey guys, excuse me. You are saying the action will not be taken.
Yes, sir.
If a person from SC caste commits any crime.
Yes, sir.
100%?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay guys, he is sure. And I'm uploading this video as
Yes, sir,
well.
yes, sir.
You have no problem?
I don't have problem.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So guys, you are saying the action will be taken. Now, whom should I believe?
Let them explain.
There are not only SC/ST people. There are committee made by the 10 members. There should be all people.
Exactly.
So how can you say only SC/ST
And see,
people?
and
if there
crime is a
only-
crime, yaar.
And I
For the
think-
crime, the action should be taken. It's not about, SC, OBC in general.
That is
Action should be taken against crime.
action should be taken, but they will not take, sir.
Huh?
Action should
And
be taken, but
there-
they will not take. That is why we are protesting, sir. This is the completely discrimination,
They are
sir.
only protesting for that. If false allegations should be there, so there should be rule and action against. There is only one way.
Ma'am, I want to let you guys understand that the committee you are talking about, this committee consists of the 5 members you guys know: SC, ST, OBC, PWD, and women. SC, ST, OBC, PW, and women. These are mandatory members. Apart from that, other members can be included in this committee.
Not
Okay.
can be, it could.
It can be mandatory. You know, na mandatory.
It has to be.
It has to
It
be,
not
ma'am.
can be,
Sir,
it has
these
to
are
be.
the mandatory members. Apart from that, if they want, they can add other members as well.
Not
they
want,
want.
sir. Sir, it's not want.
If they want, they can add other members as well from general category or from other categories as well.
No, sir. Not.
Sir, it has been
They
mentioned in
have
the
to.
rules. It has been mentioned in the rules that these members.
If they want, they can.
No, sir, it's not want.
Sir, because these five members are mandatory members. Apart from that, if they want to add other members, they can add other members as well. They can add other members as well. And why we are protesting? Because these members are not consisting of any general category member. If you are filing a case against, a false case against me, there will be no penalties against you, and the general category member will face lots of repercussions from this. My degree will be. So my degree will be terminated. I will be terminated from the college as well.
Can I speak?
Yes, ma'am.
There will be one profession and chairman also will be there, and there will be one women also.
He will be principal of the.
PWD
He will be
people
principal
also.
of this. He will be principal of the institute. I know this.
First,
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
me. There will be one professor and chairman also, one women in also, and PWD also. If 3 members, how can you say they will only belong in SC, ST, and
Let me
OBC?
explain. Ma'am, you
How?
know the vote system.
They
You know
can
the.
be general also.
If they come up with the majority vote, how you can protest against them?
It's not about.
You know about Election Commission of India. It consists of the Prime Minister, consists of the party member, party minister, and the opposition leader.
Yeah.
If they have a majority vote, who am I to vote against them?
You are only.
If you will be having a majority vote, how can I, from general category, how can I go against you?
Is there, sir, where is majority?
Majority might.
Only two.
When they will investigate at that time, they will investigate at that time.
Talk by sitting.
Sir,
If the
when they will investigate at that time, many people.
if the power belongs to SC.
What's that?
I will.
If the power belongs to SC.
I said, sir, it's only two people will SC/ST and two people will OBC. And I said, and I am saying again and again, there will. How can it become majority only the SC/ST and OBC? There are equal people, sir. There are equal
SC, ST,
people.
OBC.
And you only worried
And
about that.
others are PWD and women.
Yeah.
SC, ST, OBC, these are not 3 members.
They are the
These are
three
majority,
members.
na?
And what about the others?
Sir, SC/ST, it is not mean handicap. It is not mean say SC/ST. They may be general. They
They may be general.
Yeah,
So how can you say that it may be?
What I'm talking about majority SC, ST, OBC. These are 3. PWD and
Only four.
they are 2 only.
4%. SC/ST, ST from 2%, SC from 2%. They are
Not
4%.
able to understand my point.
He is understanding. You are not understanding.
Oh, you are unable.
You don't know about the majority.
We are understood the majority. You are worried about the majority. If they will collect and they will raise against us, then what we will do?
Hamza brother, please listen to me. Hamza brother. SC, ST and OBC. 3 members are only permanent
Yes.
and mandatory.
No. PWD and women also.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
3 members, SC, ST, OBC. 3 are mandatory, should be SC, ST, OBC 3. Rest of 7. So 7. First, women. Women can be Hindu, Muslim, Brahman, upper caste, lower caste. Okay? PWD can be from any caste. 2. So, and the chancellor is already from upper caste. And 2 faculty member can be from any caste.
How
and
you can
civil
one-
societies.
How you can definitely how you can definitely say
7 people can be from any caste. Civil society from civil society 2 members, so they can be also from upper caste and lower caste. So how can you say this community has dominated by SC and ST? Because main power chancellor has main power. Chancellor
has the main power,
nobody
na?
nobody
Let me
has
explain,
guts.
let me explain.
Nobody has guts to raise against the voice against the chancellor. Chancellor is a very big post in university. So 7 are from upper caste. Maybe I am saying humbly. I am saying maybe, but mandatory it will be 6. Because there is already law against upper caste, but there is no improvement in SC and ST. So how can you expect it should maintain their strictly law?
We understood. And here he said that no action will be taken.
Yes, sir. Action will not be taken.
So if there are from different categories, then why the action will not be
They
taken?
are not accepting the whole.
So first of all, the point he is making, I want to explain that point. The point he is making that if someone files a false complaint against me, the action will not be taken against him or her. Why is it so? Because the rules is not been mentioned in the UGC rules. It has not been mentioned. If someone files a false case against me, he will not be punished. It is mentioned in the rules. He is not making from himself. This rules has been mentioned in these UGC rules. And also, what Umar Bhai is talking that I want to make him understand. I want to get answer from you. How you can be so sure that the chancellor is not from the other caste as well? How you can be so sure? How you can be so sure that he is from the upper caste and general? You know who appoints chancellor? The governor or the chief minister of the state. He appoints the chancellor, na?
How many governor and chief minister in the SC/ST caste?
Ma'am, the president of our country. The president of our country. She is from SC category.
You are indicating getting only one.
No, you guys, what you guys were saying? You guys were saying that if we will kill them, they will not become something.
I am
President of
saying-
our country, she
I am
belongs to the
saying
SC category.
How much governor?
We need to take up time. Don't be shy.
Sir, UGC stand for University Grant Commission. So UGC is not fully independent body. It is a partial body. It comes under the Ministry of Education. And it maintains its what is the work for UGC? It mandates standard of higher education in university, providing recognition to university, and framing rules and regulation in university. And first time it established in 1958. And after abdication in the UGC in 2012. After more and more cases comes in between the 2012 and 26. There is a two case in 2016. There is a case of Rohit Vemla, suicide due to caste discrimination. He committed suicide. And after the second case is Payal Tanvi. Is also suicide by the caste discrimination.
She also committed suicide.
She also committed suicide by the caste discrimination. So these two cases are very popular in the Supreme Court. That's why it upgradation in the 2026 rules.
Very nice. Point to be noted. You can ask question after some time. Wait.
And there's also one case, KIIT Bhubaneswar suicide case, where two Nepalese students get discriminated by the racism.
Yes, sir.
I know that.
By the racism. So this case are very sensitive case. So we should take action against it. So that's why UGC is a principle in the universities.
Great point.
Yes, sir.
We appreciate your knowledge. Fantastic. Mr. Kaf, Sakshi. Yes, go on.
Yes, sir.
Everybody listen to.
I think we need to understand this thing. Discrimination can be done by any category. It's nothing like that. It can be done only by upper class. For example, I have an example for you. For example, there is a boy.
Mike is not speaking.
Yes, sir. For example, there is a boy who has been discriminated by a person who also belongs from SC category. So in this situation, person A won't be able to file any case against person B because they both come from same category. Yes. And one more thing I would like to highlight on that this UGC Act 2026 talks about discrimination. Why? It is against our constitution. Our constitution talks about equality, but it doesn't talks about equality. If it talks about equality, why it has been implemented to save OBC ST and OBC SC ST category from general people? Yes.
Shame.
It is against our constitution. That's why it talks about.
Yeah.
Constitution also talk about the discrimination in
Why?
Article 15. Abolish the discrimination on the basis of caste.
Sir, I want to add one more point. Ragging and discrimination can be happen with any caste. Doesn't matter which caste. It doesn't matter which caste you come from. And the thing she said that the three cases happened from the upper caste to lower caste. So if the same thing happened with the upper caste, no action will not be taken. Yes. Action will not be taken.
You can complain, sir.
Mob
You can complain
lynching,
High Court, Supreme Court,
mob
sir.
lynching happened, ragging happened, discrimination happened everywhere. So we should take a new law for the as like a UGC.
Okay.
Can you please discuss these points first of all? Why are we ignoring these points? Riva mentioned about Nepal points.
Yes.
Right, here Cap mentioned about here scholarship and all. Just talk about this.
Forcing you to full the fees, complete the fees. But in this time, any teacher will not force you to complete the fees. If scholarship didn't come, so you can easily give your exam. So she said like that way, scholarship. He said like that way about the scholarship.
Exactly, sir. Thank you so much.
In
Sir,
this,
in this guideline
it
there
is
is-
the mention. I said
Show
you
me-
don't.
show me
it
where is the
has
mention.
mention. I will show you.
Show me.
I will show you. Come here. I will show you.
This is your data, na?
Yeah, this is.
It
They
is
are
not
just
our
adding,
data,
sir.
It is the real data.
In this act, they are just adding whatever they want. They are just making a new thing.
There are some grounds.
Show data. Speak your data. Oh, speak your data.
Sir, yeah.
Camera में जल्दी focus.
Sir. Finance, security, and scholarship also will be there.
Sir, they are
Finance,
just adding.
security and-
They are just adding. There is
It
no
is the
guideline for the
reality, don't make
scholarship.
me
sir.
angry. It is the reality, sir, and it has implemented.
This data came from WhatsApp University.
What?
Deep term. You don't use, your WhatsApp University. Do you know about WhatsApp University?
What's up?
Deep term. Everybody doesn't know that.
Yeah.
WhatsApp University means deep fake things. Right.
For that there is also rule in the UGC. If that college will be fake, so there should be rule and regulation. UGC not only for the general category and all these things. It's implemented for all these rule and regulation for looking the all things. All equality.
My
Not
dear
only for the-
Shalini, I just want to convert this point. I just want to ask one question. Suppose that you are very kind of brilliant student. You are totally indulged in your studies. And I belong to OBC. You have done nothing. I am annoyed with you. And I just like make the false allegation to you. I make for it will take lot of time to reveal that you have done nothing. It will directly connected with your reputation. It will take lot of time. In that condition, you will be thinking, okay, community will be thinking about it. It will take lot of time. Then what will happen in that case? It can destroy the image of a person, and it may give the mental tension to that person who has been studying.
We already told you there you can also complain, and we said that if anybody's will take and
Here we are not talking about the rights, the protection which is going on the road like we are discussing about, because directly it is connected with the reputation of the people. It is not only connected with the person, it is connected with the personality.
If someone damage your reputation, you can file defamation case under
It will
TNS
take
section
time. Now,
356.
don't you know about that? How much time it takes to go to police station?
In defamation,
to the
you will
court
get
and-
you will get instant.
Instant, there is no any kind of like it is being said.
And if it is about students, then it will take action.
On defamation case, it will take more than
before conviction, sir, before conviction, you are not guilty in the Constitution of India. Before conviction, you are not guilty. And now one thing clear, there is not only UGC, there is not only EOC. If you are not satisfied the investigation of university, you can go to the police station, and UGC will transfer to the police station to inquiry this case. And I'd like to answer you. You are saying the committee. Can I tell sir about committee? So there must be 2 faculty member in equity committee. So faculty member, if you talk about faculty member, 80% professor post for OBC vacant. 80% professor post for OBC vacant. 83% post for ST vacant. Over 90% professor post for ST vacant. So 70 to 80% professor are upper caste in university. 70 to 80%. So if UGC doesn't their work, they will transfer to the police station within 15 days. They will not investigate. If you torture any girls, so it is very widely matter. So UGC just complain to the police station. They will not investigate. They will transfer to the UGC. So you cannot be discriminated by someone, because it will not remove also casteism and discrimination. Thank you for listening.
You all should clap for Mr. Umar. Fantastic. We want, forgiveness as well if we made any mistake. I want to ask to all the viewers, do let us know what you think about. Is UGC acceptable, appreciable, or not? If not, then tell the reasons as well. Because we still could not come to the conclusions. We were frustrated, we got angry, we argued, we actually squabbled. But still we could not come to the conclusion. But yes, for the time being, I would like to say that equality matters and matters and matters. If Mr. Akram Daligan said that action will not be taken if a person commits crime from the category of SC.
Yes, sir.
If the action is not taken, so for me, and I think it is absolutely not okay. If it is,
Yes, sir.
but I don't think it is like that. If it is like that, then it is absolutely not acceptable. So equality matters because our constitution, Article 14, also says to maintain that. So yeah, we have to maintain the same equality in the university, in the colleges, in the schools, everywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.